Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I've come back with another motivational video because I believe everyone just needs that boost, that oomph to get through the end of the week. And today's video is going to be about not giving up. Do not give up on anything you ever dreamt of, that you want, that you just need, that you just want to have. Don't give up on it. Okay, now it could have been a goal that you had in January and you tried to do it throughout this year and you're like, the year's nearly ending, we're in November. I do not understand how we're in November. Where did this year go? But anyways, it could have been a goal that you wanted to achieve this year and you just feel like you can't do it because you have like a month and a few weeks left, but you can do it and you can get through it. Just keep working because you never know, that last day of the year, it could be yours, but you will never know if you don't keep working. So keep pushing through it. Listen, nothing worth having is easy. Nothing worth having is easy. You have to work through it. You have to just fight through that storm. That storm is gonna come and it's gonna beat you up so much. It is just gonna beat you black and blue. But you have to fight through it. And from what I know, storms eventually do go past, and that's just gonna beat someone else up. And when it leaves, you're gonna feel good. You're gonna feel happy. Your blessings are gonna come in. That happiness is gonna come in. You're gonna feel so good that you fought through that storm and you finally have what you want. It's also like a race. You know, when you're in a race and you're having a race, you want to get to that finish line. You see that line and you just want to get to it. And when you're racing, you know, you're running, you're trying to pick up your pace, you're pushing through it, you're breathing heavy. You just know that you see that line and you want to get there. And by the time you get to that line, you're out of breath, you're tired, you're worn out. But you're so happy that you finished that race. Then treat your life like a race. Go through it, work hard, you know. Okay, there are going to be sleepless nights. But when you get to the end, it's going to be all worth it. You're going to feel so good. You're going to be like, you know what? Everything I ever did, it was for this moment. And that moment is going to feel so amazing. So keep pushing and keep being great. And thank you for tuning into this video. Bye.